Hi second graders, make sure that you've solved number 1 independently before continuing with this video. Alright, here we go. Today's objective is I can use place value strategies to identify groups of numbers. The problem today was showing Miss Stephanie's stamp collection. This is Miss Stephanie's stamp collection. How many unicorn stamps do you see? Show how you counted them. Explain how you counted them. Okay, so here we found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stamps, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stamps. Found 10 stamps, 5 on top, 5 on the bottom, boxed it up and wrote 10 on the inside. And then continued counting by tens as we went on further. So counting by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300. All right. First, I boxed up 10 in each box, then I counted by tens and landed up with 300. Remember to mark up your paper, show how you counted your stamps. All right, here's another strategy. This one, I counted 10 in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I drew a vertical line down the middle, dividing the left side from the right. I knew that this side was going to have 10 in each row. They all start the same. They all end the same. And I counted by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and then drew a line underneath, creating now a box, and I wrote 100 inside. Did the same thing on the other side. I wasn't sure if there was 10 in a row over here, so I had to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There was, so I counted by tens going down. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Drew a line underneath and wrote 100. So now I have 100 plus 100 is 200. Down here, I knew I had 10 in a row because up above, I had 10 in a row. And it starts the same, it ends the same, they're all spaced evenly. I knew there was going to be 100 or 10 in a row there. I did not know if there was going to be 10 groups of 10 though, so I had to count those. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. There was, and there wasn't any left over. So I boxed it up, wrote 100, and then counted all up together. 100 plus 100 plus 100 equals 300. 300 unicorn stamps. All right, so what is similar between these two or different between these two? The one on the left is counting by tens. I counted by tens. We counted differently though. We looked at 5 and 5. I went with rows of 10. You choose, you decide what works best. Maybe some of your papers look like this. Maybe some of your papers look like this. So which strategy are you going to try for the next problem?